All right, it is Tiered Tray Tuesday, and we're gonna do this a little bit of vlog style today. I do want to show you some of the decor that I have, and I want to explain some of it to you because some of it's new. So today we're gonna do a simple tiered tray, and this is a $5 tiered tray from the Target Dollar Spot or Bullseye's Playground, whichever you prefer to call it. This is not this season, it was last season that I got this tray, and I really love it. I love decorating with it. Today's video is just really decorating, no DIYs. This is for somebody who wants to decorate real quick and they want to decorate inexpensively and they don't have a lot of time. And so I like to make these kind of videos too, because I know that these kind of people are out there who don't have a lot of time to decorate. So I like to make simple videos also. So that's what I'm doing today. So I wanted to show you, I went into Walmart recently and they have the cutest ornaments in there and the cutest decorations. Now this here, I think this was $3 for this. I'm trying to think, it was $3 or $4. And I just loved this little gift. It's kind of got a fur side to it here and it's real pretty. Anyways, they have larger ones like this at Hobby Lobby, but this is like a smaller version that I found at Walmart. I don't know if they have a larger version. I didn't see one there, but this is really great for a tiered tray, I thought. And then, of course, we have to have some pine cones because that just adds a little bit to the tray. Okay, this one here came from IKEA. And if you saw my IKEA shop with me last week that I did, I picked up one of these. These are so stinking cute. Little evergreen sprigs coming out of a pine cone. I just loved this and I thought that's tiered tray material. And then I have this little deer here, and I'm thinking, I was trying to remember where he came from. And I think that this came from Dollar General last year, or no, the year before. I've had this a couple years now. I think Dollar General. I don't know. If I'm wrong and one of you know, you can correct me. Okay, here is another $1.98 ornament from Walmart. I finally got me a white little truck. Great also for a tiered tray. I have my bell that I've had for a while. This is Target too, I believe. And then this, I think this came from Pier 1. I have a few of these. They come in a set. I'm thinking this came from Pier 1 like several years ago. I'm going to try and see if I can incorporate that. And then I have this sprig here. I think this is a Walmart sprig. And then I have this little tree here, which is also from Target. And then this piece here, I think this is Hobby Lobby, I think. Candle holder, it's a candle holder. Anyways, all right, we're gonna try to incorporate, not all of these, I don't think, obviously they won't all fit, but we're gonna try to see what works on this tray today. Okay, let's get decorating. So some of these items are actually kind of tall. So we're just gonna kind of work with it here and see what I can come up with. Okay, I'm grabbing just another little truck there, another little ornament I had. All right, my friends, here is my tray today. This is how I finished it. What do you think? Let me know. Just a real quick little tray. I mean, $5 tray. Everything on this tray, maybe with the exception of the Pier 1 balls there, is like, I don't know, $3 or $4 at the most. So pretty inexpensive. This little truck that I just added is also from Walmart. That's part of a set. I have 4 of those. They're like little tags or things you can add to your gifts, or you know, use for DIYs or put on your tree or whatever. So this is just a little quick, easy tiered tray that you can do. It took me all of maybe 10 minutes. So, and it was inexpensive. So that's what I have for you today on Tiered Tray Tuesday. Thank you so much for watching.